so happy to be back in our unboxing studio with 2 new boxes of books.
Bursting with books.
Bursting with books. First up, we have The Meaning of Pride, a picture book.
Oh, and to follow theme, we have Queer There Everywhere.
Exploring Space, Black Holes.
Alright, we have Who Was Frank Sinatra?
Luna and the Treasure of Tlaloc, a graphic novel.
Fun. We have Haru, Zombie Dog Hero.
Ooh, another graphic novel, Marcy and the Riddle of the Sphinx.
Going on some adventures, aren't we? Oh, we have Wayside School Gets a Little Stranger.
Caterpillars.
We just had some of those, didn't we?
did.
Alright, we have Captain Awesome is a Spy.
Spanish is the language of my family.
Oh, we have Code Red.
And another picture book, Kate.
And who doesn't want one of those? Alright, we have Grace Needs Space.
Oh, Ocean, our watery world, as we've never seen it before.
Oh, we have our next Keeper of the Lost Cities.
Oh yeah, we had to replace that one because it got read and loved by so many children. Oh, Good Night, JJ from Cocomelon. Very popular.
Squished.
Ooh, another graphic novel, Alcatel and the Turnip Child.
We have Banana Dream.
I Help at Home.
We have ABC Pride.
Another book we had to replace because so many people loved it, My Friends by Tarragoni.
We have The Princess in Black and The Prince in Pink.
We've been waiting for this one.
So exciting.
Another book we had to replace, The Unseen Guest, Book 3 of the Incorrigibles. Great series.
We have The Duck Never Blinks.
Hope in the Valley.
Link and HUD, Heroes by a Hair.
We're all excited for this one, The Sun and the Star. Nick Riordan is back.
We have The Notorious Scarlet and Brown.
Another one that I know people have been waiting for. We have Lulu Walks the Dogs.
And Parachute Kids.
A new edition of The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank.
All right, we have Dory Phantasmagory.
Ooh, book 5, very exciting. And Wayside School is Falling Down. Classic.
Alpha Buddies. G is first. I wonder why. You want to do our last one?
Yes, I do. Rocket says, speak up.
Yay!
Great, I can't wait to read all these new books.